Hello and welcome to our ARM-based embedded systems design conference in Sindelfingen near Stuttgart. My guest now is Michael Fries from AdaCore. He's Sales and Business Development Manager.
Hello, Pascal.
Welcome. Hi. So what is bringing you to our conference?
So as you know, AdaCore is developing tools for people who would like to develop applications that are safe and secure. And our customers in this domain are in railway, aerospace, defense. And a few years ago, we heard the name of the ARM processor for maybe future new design. And this is a trend that has grown stronger in the past years. And that's the reason why we've decided recently to release our toolset on this ARM platform. So obviously we're here to present this new toolset. What is also interesting to note is that with this new processor, there's also a new type of market that is coming to us. This is a market that sees a growing pressure for the development of safe and secure applications, so automotive, medical, or industrial devices.
So why do your new customers come to you? Why do they choose AdaCore, their Ada language? Why aren't they going to someone else?
Oh, that's an interesting question, obviously. Well, the Ada language has gone through a revision lately. That's called Ada 2012, and there are a number of innovations that are coming with the Ada language with Ada 2012. I'll just focus on probably one of the most emblematic one, that is the notion of contract. And shortly, what does it bring? I mean, when you are developing a procedure, an application, whenever you want someone to use your procedure, you will put a comment to describe what your procedure will be doing. So when you look at this is a contract. You're establishing a contract between the user of the procedure and the person who does the implementation. We have a few problems with this type of development. Well, first, you're using a natural language, so there are ambiguities in what you're describing. Second, over time, there is no easy way to check that when you're fixing bugs, when you're implementing new things, that the contract is indeed representative of what is implemented. So that's some of the issues that you have, and it doesn't scale up. So what the language brings here is a more formal way to describe what this contract is. And so this comes with Ada 2012, and it really allows to better describe the function and better check that the actual implementation does what it is supposed to do, because these are executable contracts. So that's the first step. The second one is that it allows to have static analysis tools to do better static analysis, because you're giving them more information than you used to be doing before. And even going further in terms of static analysis, you can do formal proof. So when you're in a certain subset of the language, by using this type of annotations, you can do certain proof on certain properties of your program. And this is an innovation that we'll be bringing by the end of the year that is called Spark 2014, and this is an evolution of the well-known Spark language.
Okay. Apparently people like that if you see the success you have on the market. But still, ARM has a lot of form factors. There's a lot of platforms. So which ones do you support?
So we target currently two types of developments. So the first one, for people who need a really small systems, really deeply embedded systems, or who are developing simple applications. So on bare boards, no real-time operating system. And the second type of development based on an RTOS like VxWorks or OS like Android. So for the first ones, we target the Cortex M3, M4F, and R4F with two different certifiable runtimes. So this also addresses people who need to go through certification, what we call zero footprint runtime, the smallest runtime that we can provide, and a Ravenscar runtime for those who would like to benefit from the multitasking capabilities still on a bare platform and with a certifiable runtime. So that's for the first part. And the second, we're supporting the Cortex A9 processor on Android today, and VxWorks that will come by the end of the year.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.